Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.5969 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.5343. 1.6093. The earlier day close, 1.5701. The change was plus 0.0268. Plus 1.71%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63. Low 1.41. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 1.55 rands, high 1.66. Low 1.44. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, February 23. Cost 1.60 rands, high 1.71. Low 1.49. Dogecoin figure on Friday, February 24. Cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65. Low 1.43. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, February 27. Cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77. Low 1.53. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81. Low 1.57. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 1. Cost 1.68 rands, high 1.80. Low 1.56. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, walk 2. Cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83. Low 1.59. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, walk 3. Cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83. Low 1.59. In about 14 days Dogecoin figure on Monday, walk 6. Cost 1.73 rands, high 1.85. Low 1.61. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 7. Cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70. Low 1.48. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, walk 8. Cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67. Low 1.45. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, walk 9. Cost 1.60 rands, high 1.71. Low 1.49. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, walk 10. Cost 1.55 rands, high 1.66. Low 1.44. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, walk 13. Cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61. Low 1.40. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, walk 14. Cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62. Low 1.40. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15. Cost 1.58 rands, high 1.69. Low 1.47. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, walk 16. Cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62. Low 1.40. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, walk 17. Cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65. Low 1.43. In about a month Dogecoin estimate on Monday, walk 20. Cost 1.62 rands, high 1.73. Low 1.51. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 21. Cost 1.60 rands, high 1.71. Low 1.49. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, walk 22. Cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77. Low 1.53. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2023. In the first place cost at 1.64 rands, exorbitant cost 1.81, while low cost 1.37. The found the middle value of cost 1.63. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.69. Change for February 3.0%. Dogecoin gauge for WAC 2023. In the first place cost at 1.69 rands, exorbitant cost 1.95, while low cost 1.40. The found the middle value of cost 1.72. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.82. Change for spring 7.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 1.82 rands, exorbitant cost 2.26, while low cost 1.82. The found the middle value of cost 2.00. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 2.11. Change for April 15.9%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2023. Initially cost at 2.11 rands, excessive cost 2.11, while low cost 1.65. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.91. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.77, change from May 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 1.77 rands, excessive cost 1.77, while low cost 1.39. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.61. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.49. Change for June 15.8%. Dogecoin figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 1.49 rands, excessive cost 1.85, while low cost 1.49. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.64. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.73. Change for July 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1.73 rands, excessive cost 1.98, while low cost 1.72. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.82. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.85, change for August 6.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.85 rands, excessive cost 1.85, while low cost 1.60. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.76. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.72. Change for September 7.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.72 rands, excessive cost 1.93, while low cost 1.67. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.78. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.80. Change for October 4.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.80 rands, excessive cost 1.80, while low cost 1.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.63. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.51. Change for November 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.51 rands, excessive cost 1.51, while low cost 1.18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.37. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.27. Change for December 15.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 1.27 rands, excessive cost 1.36, while low cost 1.18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.27. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.27. Change for January 0.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 1.27 rands.